Good morning, students. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Nevada. So today we are going to start chapter 5, playing with numbers. This is first lecture of this chapter. So now let's learn how to write the number in general form. So you may have learned that there are two kinds of numbers. Numbers can be two-digit number, it can be three-digit, it can be four-digit, and so on. But in this lecture, we are going to learn how to write or represent a two-digit number and a three-digit number in general form. For example, 53. So 53, this 3 is in ones place or units place, and this digit 5 is at tens place. So I can write it as 5. Since 5 is in tens place, so 5 will be multiplied by 10 plus 3. I can write it like. Similarly, if suppose if a number, two-digit number is in this form such that A is in tens place and B is in units place, then how we will write the number in general form? In general form, we can write it as 10 into A plus B. So in this way, every two-digit number can be represented in this form, 10A plus B, like this. Okay. Similarly, here we can take example 527 is a three-digit number. 5 is in hundreds place. Three is in tens place, and seven is in ones place. So I can write it as 5 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 7. And suppose if a three-digit number is in this form such that A is in hundreds place, B is in tens place, and C is in ones place, then it can be written as in general form 100 into A plus 10 into B plus C in general form. I can write it 100 A plus 10 B plus C. Now we will take out some example. And see how to solve problems related to this. Now see, I am taking example of question number 1 of exercise 5. I am not going to write the question. You can see the question from the book. So the question is saying the units digit of a two-digit number. So there is a two-digit number. There is a two-digit number. Its units digit is here 3. 3 is the units digit, and tens digit we don't know. It is not given. But the question is saying there is a two-digit number whose units digit is 3, and if the tens digit, and it is also saying that 7 times the sum of the digit is the number itself. So first thing is the two-digit number. One digit is known, that is the units digit is known, and tens digit is unknown. So we will assume the tens digit is x. So now we have a two-digit number. I can write it in general form. What is the general form? ON means original number. What is our original number? 10. 10 is in x is in tens place. So x will be multiplied by 10. So it will become 10x plus 3. So this is our original number. And now the question is saying if we multiply 7 times the sum of the digit. What is the sum of the digit? The digits are x and 3. And what is the sum? X plus 3. 7 times means 7 multiplied by sum of the digits. If we add these two digits together and then multiply it by 7, then you will get the original number. The question is saying that when we multiply 7 with some of its digit, then it will be equal to the number itself, original number. So in this way we have found the equation. Now we will solve it. This implies 7 into x is 7x and 7. We know that multiplication is distributive over addition. So 7 into x 7x, 7 3 is 21 equals 10x plus 3. Now 7x minus this 10x will come this side. So sign will change. Minus 10x equals 3. This plus 21 will go that side. Minus 21. Okay, 7x minus 10x is minus 3x and this is minus 18. So minus minus will cancel and x will be equal to 18 by 3. 3 6 are 18. So that will equal to, so therefore x will be equal to 6. So now we have find the value of x. So our original number is 63. 63 is the answer. So students, now let us take another example. Another example. See question number 3. Question number 3 is saying that there is a 2-digit number, and we don't know. When we don't know the 2-digit number, you can assume it AB. Let AB be the 2-digit number. So our original number will be written in this form, 10a plus b. So our original number is 10a plus b. Question is saying this number is more than, this is more than is greater than, more than 4 times. 4 times means 4 multiplied by sum of the digits, sum of its digit. So this number, original number, is more than or greater than 4 times means 4 multiplied by the sum of the digit. What is the sum? A plus b by 3. So if 10 is greater than 7 or 10 is more than 7 by 3, what does it mean? 10 minus 7 equals 3. If 10 is more than 7 by 3, it means the difference of 10 and 7 is 3. Similarly, if this number is more than 4 times the sum of its digit by 3, what does it mean? It means na plus b minus the difference of both this minus this. 4 times a plus b equals 3. This is the first equation. Okay. Now the question is saying, if 18 is added to this number, if we add 18 to this number, okay, this number, this is our original number, and if we add plus 18, okay, if 18 is added to this number, the digits are reversed. Digits are reversed means original digit is AB. Now you will get BA. Units digit will become tens digit, tens digit will become units digit. So our new number will be NS, new number will be, we can write it in general form, 10 into B plus C. If 18 is added to this number, the new number will become like this. So our original number is 10A plus B and we have added 18. Then our new number will become 10B plus A. This. Okay. This is the second equation. Now, you have first equation, second equation. You have to solve these two equations or get the values of A and B, and you will get the original number. Our question is find the original number. What is the original number? Now you can solve it. 10A plus B minus 4A. This is plus minus 4B equals 3, or 10A minus 4A, 6A, plus B minus 4B, minus 3B equals 3. You can take 3 common. 3 2A minus B equals 3. Here 3 will cancel 1 time. So therefore 2A minus B equals 1. Okay. You can cancel. This is our equation number 1. Now from here, after solving this, 18 is here. Okay, 18 equals 10A will, okay, 10B. This is 10B plus b will go that side, minus b plus a, 10a will go that side, minus 10. Now 10b minus b is 9b minus 9a equals 18. It means you can take 9 common, b minus a equals 18. So 9 to the 18. So this implies b minus a equals to 2. This is equation number 2. Okay, b minus a equals 2. Or we have b minus a equals 2. We have solved get this equation. Now we will fill in. Now we have these two equations. 2a minus b equal 1 and b minus a equals 2. We have these two equations to solve. How we will solve it? This is equation first, this is equation second. Now here b equals, okay, and this is our second equation. This is first, this is second. So b equals a plus 2. The negative a will go that side, a plus 2. Now from equation second we get b equals a plus 2. Put the value of b in equation first. Put the value of b in equation first. 2a minus b equals a plus 2 equals 1. Now you will get 2a minus, this is minus a, minus plus minus 2 equals 1. 2a minus a is a equals 1 plus 2. Or, okay, 1 is there, minus 2 will go that side, a equals 3. A equals 3, and what is b? b equal to 3 plus 2 equals 5. A equals 3 and b equals 5, so 35 is the answer. Okay, in this way you will solve this type of question. So now your today's homework will be exercise 5a 1 to 6. You have to solve it. Okay. Okay, students. Thanks for watching the video.